that we have a flower and a leaf, and the flower is like this. Okay, and I want to show that these petals are falling this side and these petals are falling that side. First. Second, I would like to show that these leaves that I am drawing are folded from towards outside. Okay, so let me draw some 2-3 leaves also. Okay, so now see what we are going to do. Now when I am coloring this leaf, alright, sorry, not the leaf, this is the petal. Now when I am coloring this petal, I will color from in to out. Okay, I will color from in to out. And this petal I will also color from in to out, because these petals are going outside, right? These, yes, the petals are going towards outside, right? That is a very good thing.
Ma'am, we have to do it.
No, I'm just telling you, you'll just understand. And then I will again color this one again from in to out. Now see, when I'm coloring these from in to out, it is very much understood that these petals are blooming from inside, right?
Because they do bloom from inside.
They all do bloom from inside, and they all are moving in the right direction where it has to go. Are you following, beta?
Mama.
Okay. Good. Now let me show you all how I am going to color the leaf, which will be colored from out to in. Okay. Now for out to in, I have to show that the leaves are turning towards inside. The flowers are going outside. So when something is moving outside, we color from in to out. But when something is folding inside, I will color from out to in. Understood? Are you following, bacha log? So now see, when I am coloring these leaves, I will color from out to in.
Oh, ma'am, from the tip of the leaf, that means it's outside.
Exactly.
So when it's outside, that means it's going out to in.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Now you understood. Now let's say over here I just color straight. Okay, this part I will color straight. And this part I will bring it over here from out to in from the tip.
Oh, ma'am.
So doesn't the leaf look as if it is turning to this side?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Other leaf also. So first let's try this leaf in a little different way. Let's first go from inside, like straight.
No.
Okay. See, right now I'm not doing any direction. I'm just going straight. And now from the tip, I start from out to in. Over here, and so I do it over this side also. And then I join between. Right? Understood? So you can make out the difference of in to out and out to in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have a building over here. Okay. Or a door or a building, whatever we want to consider this to be. And this will be colored vertical only because this is a straight box kind of a look. This is a straight rectangular look. So I will first start shading or coloring from the top. Okay. And notice over here, I will not shade like this. I will just color till where I am able to color. So I will just go with small straight strokes. And if you see, I'm also avoiding the tip. Okay, I'm also avoiding the tip over here because that we will be coloring later. Okay, now I've colored here. Now instead of coloring from here, because if I color from here it will become dark over here, what we do, we start coloring from the bottom.
From out to in.
Yes, and we start coloring from the bottom and we make sure we color till the place where the top one had come.
So it will look a little lighter.
Correct.
Oh.
Okay. Now we have to color the top. So on the top what we do, we will not draw a line. We will go with broken lines shading way how we color always. Even at the bottom we will do that. And then small strokes. We just make small strokes. And we...
This is Vasha.
1 second dear. Yes dear, tell me. Yes, that is correct. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Understood? Why do we color from both the directions? Now in these two sides, we will not color vertical.
Come and listen my mom.
For this side, we will start going in this direction. In whichever direction this line has been drawn.
Not the class over yet.
No, not yet. Okay, so see, we will just color in this direction. So I am going slanting over here as much as the slanting is the tip of my building or the box or the door, whatever we are drawing. Now if you see in this, I have just shaded or colored in one slanting direction. But will I follow the same slanting direction this side?
I haven't done my leaves.
Okay, I'll just have a look. So this side we will color in the slanting direction of this line. Depending on how much slanting is this line. So we will shade in that way. Okay. 1 second. Now when it comes to the bottom part, this we will color horizontal to show that this is a plain land. So understood? Why do we have to color in different directions to get the look of the image or the object that we are drawing or coloring? Did everybody follow? So why in to out, why out to in, why from top and bottom and the sides? Alright?